Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Coding My Way In. And the first thing that I wanted to tell you guys, I don't know if you guys were aware, but I posted a new vlog and it's showing the experience of me attending to a coding meetup, the one that I always go to, Coding Coffee, the one that I've been telling you guys ever since I started this journey. I only go to one because I love the community so much. So if you ever wondered how it looks, how it feels, I recommend you to watch this vlog and you'll see some scenes here. This me talking, the venue, showing like the experience, like the different people, and how is the vibe when it comes down to the coding meetup and coding coffee. So this was the last meetup of the year, so I couldn't miss that one. I went there and it was a great meetup. A lot of new people went there, and I hope they keep coming in throughout next year. And yeah, so if you wanted to see how does it feel to be in a coding meetup in New York City, this is the video to see. Coding meetup in NYC, coding coffee in my YouTube channel. The reason that I started this blog with my YouTube channel is that I'm getting a lot of feedback, both personally and online. So I think for next year, I think I'm going to pump up the videos, the content for the YouTube channel, because I see a lot of people enjoying the content, and I'm not getting that many views. It's okay, but I do see a difference with the video, so I'm still working on my editing and getting better at that. So if you see this video compared to this one, the quality of the shots is in the editing with music is very different. So with the more videos I do, the better I'll get. So I hope you guys go watch that and enjoy it. But yeah, another thing that I did to see, I paid for the subscription for X because they claim that it gives like a reply boost and it helps you like reach to more people. It's almost $100, right, for the year. So I paid for it 2 days ago. I'm finally verified. So this is my Twitter X account. Let's see if it's true. So I'm not hoping for much change, but I'm going there being positive and see if my content reaches out to more people. So hopefully this helps grow both my Twitter as well as my YouTube, because I don't know if I got told you guys, but after coming back from the tech conference, two things were the messages for me, and one is I need to become a better software engineer, and I need to really grow my name out there in the city, because I really want to do a tech conference in New York City for charity as well. So in order for me to do that, one, I need to become a better software engineer, because I think the more skill I have, the more serious people can take me. But also it's very important for me to put my name out there, both on Twitter, X, however you call it, and on YouTube as well. That way I become a familiar face to people. And I will always keep going to the coding meetups to spread my name, because I feel that if I up my game when it comes to skill and I make myself known in the city, this will make me more known. And hopefully once that moment comes when I start reaching out to people to do what I would love to do, which is a tech conference for charity in New York City, hopefully my name will have a little more weight in the community when it comes to tech in New York City. So that's really my goal. Get better as a software engineer and really push my name out there in the city, in the tech space. So now let's talk about the project. So last week, and this is one of those things, sometimes I forget where I was, and I was a bit busy today and this week, but the main thing that I wanted to do was, once you log in, I wanted to give the ability to edit and to delete. And I was struggling to make this happen because before I started doing this project, I took a crash course. And whenever I take a crash course, I document everything on Git. So I was trying to implement I already have the Git, but I was trying to really implement the patch and the delete. And I was struggling to make this happen. And I was like, man, I'm following basically the same style of what this person did in the tutorial in the crash course of Next.js. So what is going on? And then that's when I realized that the issue was I needed to make my folder as an Next.js application dynamic. What does that mean? Literally means that I need to, let me see if I see here. So you got to make the app folder, which we already have here. And then you got to make the API folder. And then you add the message route. And then on top of that, then you have to create a folder, which is called ID, in a sense of like an array, just like you see it here. That's a folder, and then within that folder, then I'll put the route.js inside of it. And that's what helped me finally be able to have the ability to delete messages in my application, which I'm going to show you now. And then I've never done this like with a confirm, so it's kind of cool. You're going to see it right now. So, you know, I'm learning every day. And another thing that I learned is that on my models I had is deleted. And the issue with that is that that's a soft delete, meaning it deletes from the application, but it doesn't fully delete in the database. What I wanted to do a hard delete. So when I delete from the application, it has to disappear from the database. Maybe this is going to change as I improve and become a better software engineer, because I see value of eliminating from the client side but still keeping some information in the database, because you never know what can happen. But that's going to be, I'll cross that bridge when I get there. So now let me stop talking and let me show you guys. Here. Nope. Here. So this is the application. So it really doesn't matter the person. So let's say I want to speak with Popo. So, hey, Popo. So as you can see here, the message comes here. It shows up here. And not only that, when you check the database, you hit find, and it should be the last message on the database. And you see it here. Hey, Popo. Now, if I want to delete, this pop-up shows up. I press OK, and it deletes. And not only disappears from here, but it also disappears from the database. You see it here, but when I refresh, it is gone. As you can see here. See, it's gone, it's no longer there. So it's hard deleting everything, which is what I wanted to do. But again, once I get more experience and I work on a project that requires a soft delete, I'll do that. But I learned that yesterday. So I'm very thankful that I learned the difference between the two. So the next thing that I want to do is for next week, the edit, because it's still not working. So I'm going to create the ability for us to be able to edit the message, and it updates on the database using patch, not put, patch. Patch is the method that I'm going to use. And even though it kind of looks nice, the edit button and the delete, I don't like it how it looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a ternary operator. So basically I'm going to have probably like an icon with 3 dots, and when we click, then it's going to give you the edit and delete. And once you finish either deleting or edit, it's going to take you back to the icon. That way it doesn't like spam, like it's spamming right now. I'm not a fan. And another thing that I need to fix is I deleted the message, hey Popo, but it's still there. So I need to fix that. But that will be a situation that I'm going to tackle next week. So it's crazy. The year's almost over, but I'm very happy. I'm very proud of myself, of everything that I've accomplished so far this year. But yeah, that's everything that I have for you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.